If Microsoft Word is showing error 0x8000Ffff, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This error is often connected to corrupted system files, Office installation issues, Windows update problems, or even conflicts with security software. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything from scratch. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. It really helps the channel and keeps you updated with quick fixes like this one. First, we're going to check and repair any corrupted Windows system files. Open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the repair command needs elevated permissions to work properly. Once the Command Prompt window opens, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. The System File Checker will begin scanning your computer and automatically repair damaged or missing files if it finds any. This process can take a little while, so be patient and let it finish completely. If it finds issues and repairs them, restart your computer afterward and check Word again. If the error is still there, the next step is to repair Microsoft Office itself. Open Control Panel, then go to Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office in the list of installed programs and select it. After that, click Change or Repair, depending on the option that appears on your version of Office. Windows may give you a quick repair or online repair option. Start with the quick repair first because it's faster and often fixes common Office problems. If that doesn't solve the issue, go back and try the online repair for a deeper fix. Once the repair is done, restart your PC and test Microsoft Word again. Next, make sure Windows is fully up to date. Sometimes error 0x8000Ffff appears because a missing update or pending system patch is causing compatibility issues. Open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for updates. If updates are available, install them all and restart your computer when prompted. After the restart, open Word again and see if the problem has been resolved. Keeping Windows updated is one of the simplest ways to prevent these kinds of errors from coming back. Another useful fix is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Even if you're using Word as part of Office, store-related components can still affect app behavior on Windows. Press Win+R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type Wsreset.exe and then press Enter. A command window may appear for a moment while the cache is cleared. When it finishes, the Microsoft Store will open automatically. Close it, then try Word again. This step can help clear out corrupted cache data that may be interfering with Microsoft apps. If the issue still isn't gone, temporarily turn off any third-party security software such as antivirus or firewall tools. Sometimes these programs can block Windows updates, Office repairs, or system changes that Word needs in order to run properly. Disable the security software only briefly while you test the fix, then re-enable it right after. You don't want to leave your device unprotected any longer than necessary. If Word starts working after disabling the software, you may need to add Microsoft Office or Windows Update as an exception in your security app settings. After trying all of these steps, restart your computer one more time and open Microsoft Word again. In most cases, one of these fixes will clear error 0x8000Ffff and get Word running normally again. If the problem continues, it may be worth repeating the Office repair or checking for deeper Windows issues, but for most users, these steps are enough to solve it. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more practical computer fixes and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.